Hello and namaste beautiful yogis. How are you all? This practice is to tone our hips and thighs. So let's begin. You begin by standing straight and then you bend your knees. See that you're not arching your back here. Keep your back straight. Keep your arms extended or bring the palms to heart center. Stay and breathe. I'm keeping them extended, but you can keep them straight. Keep your palms to heart center as well. You'll immediately start feeling it in your legs. Just stay with it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feel the burn. From there itself, we're going to take our right leg behind for the lunge. Bring the palms to the waist. See that your back knee is straight. You're not bending your knee in the air. See that your back knee is straight. Stay and breathe. You can go lower. Stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then come back to the chair pose. We'll do the other side. Left leg goes back. See that your knee is straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come back to the chair pose. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come up. Relax your legs. From there, we move on to Camel Pose. Bring your knees on the floor. So open your legs out this way. So you're rotating the thighs outwards. Push the hip forward. Palms on the waist. And take a back bend. Squeeze your glutes. You'll start feeling it in the front of your thighs. Just stay with the feeling. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come out. Sit down gently. Just taking a short pose just to neutralize our spine. Short child's pose. And come out. Take your right leg forward. Bend your left knee. Bring the sole of your left foot on the inside of your right thigh. See that your body is facing straight towards your leg and not towards the diagonal. Keep it straight towards the leg. Inhale here. You can extend your arms. As you exhale, reach forward wherever you can reach comfortably. You can choose to keep your knees bent in this pose. I almost forgot. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and inhale and come up. Change the sides. Left leg and bend the right leg. Here, see that your body is facing straight. Inhaling, extend the arms. Exhaling, bend forward and reach. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale and come up. Exhale down. You can lean back slightly. See that your chest is open. Lean back slightly. Don't curve your spine. Stay here. Now from there, start lifting your leg up. Even if you're here, it's all right. Lift your leg up one at a time. If you cannot keep your legs straight, keep your knees bent and stay. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Do the butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together. So you're going to hold the big toes, 3-finger grip, middle finger, index finger and thumb. And start flapping your knees towards the ground. Keep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. So from there, bend your right leg again, one more time. Place your right hand down. Lift yourself up. As you lift yourself up, bring your left leg out. See that your right hand, right leg, right foot, right knee are all in the same line. Left foot, right knee and right hand are all in the same line. So you can stay here and start lifting the left leg up as high as it would go and bring it down. Only 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Changing sides. So left knee comes down, left hand out, right leg out. Keep your right hand on the waist and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come out. This time lying on the side. So going to lie on the right side. You can stay here. Place your palm on your waist. See that your waist is slightly lifted from the floor. You're not completely collapsed. Hold your core here. Brace your core. Lift off slightly from the floor. Keep the bottom leg bent if you need to. You can keep it extended. And start by raising your top leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really works on the outer thighs. And changing sides. So lie down here and keep your palm on the waist. See that your waist is lifted from the floor. You're engaging your core here and lift up. This is a variation of Anantasana. So we're just repeating it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come out. Once you're done with all the leg stretches, extend your legs in front. If you cannot, you can keep your knees bent. Inhaling, raise your arms up. Exhaling, bend forward. You can also choose to raise your hips with the help of a block or a cushion. It goes for all seated postures. Spine straight is most important. As we are working on our legs, we have to keep the spine straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. And inhale. Come up, exhale. Bring the palms down. See that your fingers are pointing towards the hips. Toes are pointing out. Lift your hip off the floor. Stay and hold. If this is too difficult, you can always bend your knees and lift up. We're going to do straight legs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Lying down on your back, heels towards your buttocks, palms on the floor, reaching towards the heels, and lift your hip off the floor. Squeeze your glutes. Exhale. Come down for bridge pose, and we repeat. 2 and down. Every time you go up, squeeze and down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And release. From there, extend your left leg out. Lift your right leg off the floor. See if you can extend it, or wherever it is, even if it is slightly away from your body, it's all right. Lift the leg high as you can. Keep the left palm on your hip to press it down so that it doesn't lift off. We're going to do leg circles, 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You really, and then bring the knee in. Bring the knee in. We take a twist. So take your leg towards the right side. Extend your right palm out. Twist here. Stay and breathe. You can go lower. Don't let me limit you. If your knee touches the floor, go ahead. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And inhale. Come back. Release the leg down. We repeat with the left side, right palm on the waist. Keep pressing that hip down. Don't let it lift off of the floor. Extend your leg up as high as it would go. If you can take it at 90, take it at 90. Otherwise, keep it lower. And See that you have space. I don't, so I'm going to keep my knee bent this side. 1, 2, 3. Remember, you're moving the hip. 4, 5. And we reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And keep the knee bent. Extend your left arm out, palm facing down. Twist towards your right side. Stay and breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And inhale, back to center. Exhale, release. Rest in Shavasana. Keep your legs away. Extend them. Keep your arms away. You can lift them and drop them. Lift your upper back and drop it back down. Stay here for as long as you want to, as long as you need to. See how your legs feel. Take your awareness to your legs. If you're experiencing any unusual pains or aches, send the breath consciously to that area. When you're ready, bend your knees, roll over to the right side, come up. This completes our practice. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in comments below if you like the practice. Do like my videos. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you and namaste.